This video talks about embed nodes in Sverchok. The node was developed by me and has been successfully merged into the backbone. You can find this node in the CAD menu bar. This node allows you to embed grid B into grid A. And the embedded grid will try to keep its original structure. You can now update in the side panel to get this node. Here I will explain how to use it with two simple examples. The first is to use it to implement a projection cut-like function. Here I have prepared a sphere as well as a plane. Use the matrix application node to set the position of the plane. In the next step, I will project this plane onto the surface of the sphere. This can be done with the raycaster node. Input the sphere data into the grid A. Input the new data from the projection into grid B. The index input here determines which face of A each vertex of B is on. The final node will output the embedded mesh. Let's apply the data. You can see that the structure of grid B is embedded on grid A. And the node also outputs the edge index of the original lattice B. You can preview it with the index to mask node. Here's how to implement a Boolean-like gouge with the help of this node. Here we have also prepared two basic grid data. Generating multiple wrapped objects using rotated nodes. Then use the merge node to merge multiple meshes into one. Here we will use the nearest point on mesh node. Mapping the circle we have just surrounded to the sphere. Input the mapped data to the embedded grid node. We end up with the embedded grid. The geometry is then split by path using split nodes. Then split the separated object into multiple objects. Next, use a list item to output the mesh for each part separately. With this node, you will be able to handle the grid more freely in Sverchok. In the future, I will bring more interesting nodes.